Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix microphone is not working on iPhone. And I will show you some quick solutions and probably it will help you out. First of all, we click here on settings and then right here we scroll down to screen time, click on screen time, scroll down to content and privacy restrictions, and then right here we search microphone. There it is. Click on that, and right now it's standing on don't allow changes. So right now allow changes, fill in your passcode. And right now, if you allow that, he will probably turn everything on, but also make sure that the app that you will use for your microphone is turned on here at this microphone option. Then we go back, and then we go to privacy and security. Then from here, scroll to microphone and make sure that the app that you will use is turned on with the microphone. Alright, if this solution is still not working, we have one more thing that you can do, and that is first restart your iPhone. So just hold those the upper volume button and your lock screen both together, and then turn off your phone, turn it on, and then after that probably it will work. And if that is still not working, then we go to settings, general, then we scroll down and click on transfer or reset phone, click on reset all settings, and then from here you will reset your phone after waiting 1 hour for the security delay. But these 4 solutions will probably solve your problem. So hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.